Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. So today I want to talk about top 3 CPA marketing free traffic methods. So let's check out full details of 3 simple steps or 3 um, traffic methods. So let's check out. So number 1 is YouTube. So YouTube traffic will work for all niches of CPA marketing, but you will have to ensure the product or offer is high quality and would really help the visitors you send. So YouTube is good if the offers you are promoting are short of high converting and lead to a website that requires less work by the visitor. So let me give you an example. So below is an example of a video I would make because the competition is low and there is interested in the traffic itself. The results are especially not on point, which means you can get views. So next one is Reddit. So here are the simple steps to take when you are looking to go traffic from Reddit. You will have to be careful with every affiliate links. Here is a simple breakdown of what you should do. So find a list of subreddits that are interested in your CPA offer. For example, if it is a zip code submit, then you would consider subreddits about rentals and moving people. So last one is TikTok. So TikTok is an easy one, especially if you find an offer that makes sense for the audience on the platform. Not all niches will see huge traction, and on TikTok, that's the nature of the beast. So you will have to face it no matter or what. So here are some common niches CPA offer examples that can be good for CPA marketing: music toolbars, animation tools, bevel toolbars, motivational music toolbars, and ASMR or music comedy websites. Make money online websites. So weight loss and food recipe checklists. If the CPA offer you are interested in is not on your current network, you can search for it on overboard.